Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will modify and put passive radiators. These are the blown speakers that I've blown on my special, and yeah, I will put these on the back of this and get rid of the ports. Yeah, but first I'm gonna do a sound test with just the ports, and then after I built this thing, put the passive radiators on here. Like right here, I'm gonna put them. Because on the side will look kind of, I don't know if I want to put them on the side. I'm just gonna put them on the back because they fit perfectly. And yeah, pretty good excursion as you saw on the video on the blog. So let's just do it. So yeah, let's do the sound test first, and then let's take this thing apart. So this sounds pretty good. It has very good bass, but I gotta make it a little bit more interesting and put passive radiators on this thing. So yeah, let me take all the amplifier out, the charge 3 amp, and the board right here and stuff. Just completely tear it down. Then yeah, you're gonna see inside. Let's see how it looks inside first. But yeah, let's do this now, and yeah. Let's get the ringer out. Look at this beefy man, oh my goodness. Has a vented spider. And there's the port. I did kind of extend the port a little bit for low frequencies, but there it is. There's the charge 3 amplifier, and never seen all that, and big antenna. But yeah, this port is like in the way, so I'm surprised not fall anything out port or something like that. It's very good. So yeah, I might have to get the battery out, the charging, thing. That's not gonna be too hard, but that's pretty easy. I'm just gonna get rid of these, this charge 3 amp and stuff. And yeah, we'll see when it's, completely torn apart. I get the whole thing apart. There's only like a couple Lego pieces or whatever, and stuff. But it's an empty box. And there's all the electronics right here. Charge 3, GG, and all that. And cool little drivers. And I have to split this thing in half because I want to make this chamber a bit bigger. Cut this wall out a little bit more. Maybe gonna stick the amplifier on this side actually. It can be a little bit better. I'm not sure, but probably will be a little bit more room. Yeah, we'll try that out and see what happens. Alright, I just to split them apart. Yes, they're two speakers. They're not one combined together, but I did them a long time ago like this. As you can see. It's the same thing as usual, because actually it held up pretty nicely. With the hot glue on. But So yeah. These are split apart, and now I'm gonna go in the basement, get the jigsaw, and have a cool little tool to cause perfect circles on the these. So they're gonna be mounted with screws though, or like hot glue, whatever. I don't know. We'll see. Doesn't need to be too fancy, not gonna lie. And it should work. That's important for me. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Cut this hole bigger because this is the only hole just for the wires for the auto driver. But yeah, that's it really. So I will see it when this is cut, and the circle for the passive radiators. So I just got the hose for this, you know, and the passive radiator where it goes right here. I know it's not in the middle because I've kind of messed up on this one and the other one too. Because it goes like the circle, you know, jig, whatever. You know, makes the circle like the, you know, I don't know what that thing is called. But yeah, it's not in the middle perfectly, but did mess up a little bit on this one. Yeah, try my best. It has like a drill and it has like, you know, spinning thing, but then that it cuts or whatever. But yeah, that's how it is. But it's fine for me. I don't really mind. And here on the side, it's gonna be nice and opened up for the enclosures to combine to have a little bit more volume in the speaker itself. And yeah, it's gonna go like that. Some like this, exactly like that. Glue it on. First, I'm gonna put the electronics back in this one. Yep, because as you can see, that's where the amplifier goes in and all this stuff. So yep, put this thing back together, and yeah, just you know, get this thing ready. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah, it does. It's not connected, but I did test it before and stuff like this, just to make sure everything is working in order. I just have to put the charger in and the, you know, the audio accessories on this, and I think that's it. I just have to, you know, get this thing together and glue this thing up, and I think that's it. We can put the drivers in and the passives, radiators, but I still have to tune the passives. So, and I might have left them in the basement, so I have to get them. But yeah, that's for this. It works just fine. I'm very happy. And now I'm gonna put this thing back together slowly. Everything is installed in here, you know. Antenna is probably up here, as you can see it. Yep. There it is. So that's good. Now I just have to put the passive radiators in. I'm gonna put them like this first, because I wanna see that I wanna have it like tuned around 60 hertz or whatever, maybe 50. I don't know, maybe yeah, probably 60 hertz. Let's see. But yeah, put it like this first, glue it on with hot glue, and get a nice low tune frequency, because these are probably pretty high tuned. So I'm gonna put some weight here on the where the dust cap is. I think it'll be good. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. The woofers are in there. Looks pretty clean, not gonna lie. I put some insulation, like some sound deadening, but I cannot put it on this one because I don't have space. But it's okay. At least it's here on the top or whatever, you know. That's okay. But yeah. I can do the frequency test and see where are these tuned at stock. Let's see. 45 hertz. Woofers move a lot. Passive barely move. That is not a good sign. It's not a good sign already. Move quite a lot now. Move a bit more, but not crazy. So yeah, it's way too high. It's tuned way too high. Now let's do 80 or 100. 100. Still move a lot. It's still way too high, but it started moving a bit more, which is pretty good. That's nice. Okay. And the woofer started moving a lot less. That's about it right there. Tuned at 125 hertz, bro. That's insane. That's extremely high. So yeah, we gotta slap some good weight on these two, and yeah, like it's, you know, it has to happen. And yeah, if there are air leaks, I'm gonna fix them after the video, because I cannot be bothered, you know, making y'all bored or have to leak that. I have to fix that. I'm just gonna fix that stuff off camera. But now I'm gonna put some weights on the passive radiators and flip them back into normal, and put them properly in the enclosure, and that's it really. Just I'm gonna have fun with them. That's gonna be pretty cool. Let's see. Of course, I'm gonna do a sound test at the end of the video, as usual. So yeah, let's let me get some weights. The perfect tuning frequency on this thing for, like I said, 60 hertz. 44, 55, 58. Let's say 58 hertz tuned, which is pretty good. It's enough. It's low enough for this thing. It doesn't need to go up to like 30 hertz. But yeah, there's the best radiators with coins in them, of course. I know one moves more than the other. It's like on the flip 5, like on every flip 5 in LFM. Like one moves more, one moves less. It's normal. Like it's not really bad. I'll take it for me. So yeah, let's put these mountings out in proper way, as it should be, and then ready for a bass test and the sound test. And here's the finished product, almost. Just to have to like kind of, you know. But I did sealed as best as I could. Couldn't get better than this. I'm not sure where the leaks coming from. I mean, I hear from mainly over here, but I'm gonna try to like glue here also, you know, hot glue, whatever, and make it as sealed as possible. But it could be also from the woofers, because you know they're paper. They don't hold the, you know, air that as good. But these are like, you know, like coated with something, so it makes it a little bit more sealed, but it has paper dust cap. But it moves. As you can see, if I push the radiators, these should move. I mean, I've tested before, but not crazy amount. But that's sealed. I think I call it sealed. Sealed enough for me. But yeah, let's do a sound test now.
Till I can't no more. I got the horses in the back. Once I get some tags, head is landed black. Got the horses black and mad. Riding on a horse, ha, you get with your horse. I've been in the valley, you been up off that porch. Now can't nobody tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing.
I turned off.
Cheated on my baby. You can go and ask. My life is a movie, but riding in boots. Cowboy hat from Gucci, Wrangler on my boots. Can't nobody tell me nothing.
Damn. This one has crazy flex, but this one doesn't. But it's like, you know, it's normal. It doesn't really bother me. It's fine. But yeah, this was the, you know, the CharBox 3 upgrade, I would say. You know, it does sound better with the passive radiator. It sounds a little bit, you know, a little bit deeper. It has a deeper bass indeed. It is lower tuned a little bit. Then it's stock tuning, which is like, was like 65 hertz or whatever. That's like 58, maybe even 55, I'm not sure. But like 10 hertz lower. It is a difference. But yeah, that's it really for this thing. It's gonna be now future, and of course in the lower bass test, it's not gonna continue. It's not gonna go anything. But now it's gonna be better. So I'm gonna have two POVs from the woofers and the passives. That's gonna be pretty cool. So yeah, I'll see you.